Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of hot and sweet Korean chicken fry. Let's see how to prepare this chicken fry. Take 500 grams of boneless chicken. Cut the chicken into medium-sized pieces like this. I have taken chicken breast. Next, I'm going to prepare a batter to fry the chicken pieces. Take 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, salt as needed. Add in half a cup of corn flour and half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Mix in all the ingredients. Now add in 1 egg. Give it a mix and add in enough water to form a batter. Mix in all the ingredients using a wire whisk so that no lumps form. The batter should be of this consistency, so add in water accordingly. Add in the chicken pieces into the batter. Give it a mix and deep fry the chicken pieces. Heat enough oil in a pan and add in the chicken pieces. I'm going to fry the chicken pieces 2 times so that we'll get that crispy texture. First, fry the chicken pieces slightly and remove it. You can also use chicken with bones like wings to prepare this dish. Since this is boneless chicken, it wouldn't take much time to fry. Make sure not to overcook the boneless chicken pieces or else it will become dry. Cool these chicken pieces for 2 to 3 minutes. To the same oil, again add in the chicken pieces. Fry it until it turns golden brown color. The chicken pieces are fried perfectly and we got the right color. I am removing the chicken pieces from the oil. The fried chicken pieces are ready now. Next, I am going to prepare a sauce to toss in these chicken pieces. In a mixing bowl, take 4 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. In goes half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. If you want more spiciness, you can add red chili paste. Mix in all the ingredients so that it combines well. Add in pepper powder as needed. The sauce mix is ready now. Here I have roasted 1 teaspoon of white sesame seed which we'll be using for garnishing. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Saute it slightly and add in the prepared sauce mixes. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. If the sauces are more in quantity means the chicken pieces will become soggy, so we have to take right quantity. Now add in the chicken pieces. Saute gently until everything combines well. The chicken pieces are coated well with the sauces. Hot and spicy chicken fry is ready to be served now. Finally, sprinkle some toasted white sesame seed and spring onion. We have to have this chicken fry when hot to get that crunchy and crispy texture. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.